Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm a hardworking and motivated person. I learn fast, adjust easily, and always try to give my best.
Why should we give you this job?
I'm reliable, quick to learn, and I always focus on results. I believe I can be useful for the team.
What are your strong points?
I stay organized, finish work on time, and keep my focus on the goal.
What is your weak point?
I used to overthink, but now I focus more on action and solving problems.
Where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I see myself growing here, with more skills and more responsibility.
Why do you want this job?
Because it matches my skills and gives me a chance to grow and learn more.
Why did you leave your last job?
I wanted new challenges and a better chance to grow.
How do you handle stress or pressure?
I stay calm, make a plan, and focus on the solution.
Do you like working with a team?
Yes, I like sharing ideas and working together to reach goals.
How do you take feedback or criticism?
I take it positively and use it to improve myself.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I'm from New Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and 2 sisters.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you speak other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish and a little French.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy visiting new places.
What's your hobby?
I like painting in my free time.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing tennis.
Please tell me your full name and why you are here today.
My name is Habiba. I have received a job offer from Siemens AG in Munich, and I am here to apply for my German work visa.
Can you tell me about your background?
I am 29 years old, from Marco, with a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering. I have 6 years of experience in automation and energy systems.
Why do you want to work in Germany?
Germany is a leader in engineering and technology. It offers great opportunities for career growth and has a strong professional work culture.
What position will you have in Germany?
I will be working as an automation engineer at Siemens AG. My tasks will focus on automation systems and energy efficiency.
How are you qualified for this job?
My degree and 6 years of experience match the role requirements. In my last job, I successfully led projects that improved automation and reduced energy costs.
Do you speak German?
Yes, I have completed A2 level and I am preparing for B1. I am continuing to improve my German to integrate better.
Where are you from?
I am from Serbia.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What is your name?
My name is Sonia.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
Do you work?
Yes, I work in a company.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like it a lot.
What is your favorite language?
My favorite language is English.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read every day.
What are you doing now?
I am studying.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to book a ticket.
Where would you like to travel?
I want to go to London.
Do you want a one-way ticket or a round trip?
Just a one-way ticket, please.
What is your preferred travel date?
I'm planning to travel on the 15th of next month.
Would you like economy or business class?
Economy class is fine.
Let me check the availability.
Sure, please check the flights for me.
We have a flight at 10:30 a.m.
Yes, 10:30 a.m. works perfectly.
May I have your passport, please?
Here is my passport.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Your total comes to $320.
Okay, $320. That's fine.
How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Please wait while I print your ticket.
No problem, I can wait.
Here's your boarding pass.
Got it, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
What's your name?
My name is Anna Miller.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
What do you do?
I work as a graphic designer.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English fluently.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
What are your hobbies?
I love painting, hiking, and visiting art museums.
Where do you live in Germany?
I live in Berlin, the capital of Germany.
What languages do you speak?
I speak German, English, and a little Spanish.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling, especially to Italy and France.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta, and I also enjoy German pretzels.
What kind of music do you like?
I like listening to classical music and soft pop.
What is your dream?
My dream is to open my own art gallery one day.
Are you a student or working?
I'm working full-time from home as a designer. What's your name?
My name is Aria.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 kids.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a school teacher.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading and painting.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking new recipes.
What's your favorite food?
Favorite food is pasta.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do on weekends?
I spend time with my family on weekends.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I love watching dramas.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy soft and classical music.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea over coffee.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to France and Italy.
What's your name?
My name is Elif.
Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
Which city do you live in?
I live in Istanbul.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you like living in Turkey?
Yes, I love it here.
What language do you speak?
I speak Turkish and English.
What's your favorite Turkish food?
I love kebab and baklava.
Do you drink Turkish tea or coffee?
I prefer Turkish tea.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and going for walks.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your dream job?
I want to become a travel blogger.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Italy and Germany.
What's your favorite Turkish city?
I love Cappadocia. It's magical.
Do you like Turkish music?
Yes, especially traditional folk songs.
Do you celebrate Turkish holidays?
Yes, especially Republic Day and Eid.
Tell me about yourself.
I'm a hardworking person who's always ready to learn and contribute to the team.
Why should we hire you?
I complete tasks on time, learn quickly, and always deliver good results.
What are your strengths?
I'm organized, stay focused, and never miss deadlines.
What is your greatest weakness?
Earlier, I used to overthink, but now I focus on taking action.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I want to improve my skills and take on bigger responsibilities in the company.
Why do you want this job?
This role perfectly matches my skills and career goals.
Why did you leave your last job?
I was looking for new challenges and opportunities to grow.
How do you handle stress or pressure?
I stay calm, make a plan, and focus on finding solutions.
Are you a team player?
Yes, I enjoy working with others and believe teamwork leads to better results.
How do you handle criticism?
I take feedback positively and use it to improve myself.
What motivates you?
Learning new things, seeing progress, and achieving results keep me motivated. Job interview.
Tell me about yourself.
I have experience in customer service, enjoy solving problems, and I'm ready to grow in a new role.
Why do you want this job?
This role fits my skills, and I'm excited to join a team where I can contribute and learn.
What are your strengths?
I'm organized, a quick learner, and work well under pressure.
What is your weakness?
I used to take on too much, but now I focus on prioritizing and delegating.
Why should we hire you?
I have the right experience, I work hard, and I'm ready to add value from day one.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In a more responsible position, leading projects, and helping the company grow.
How do you handle pressure?
I stay calm, plan my tasks, and focus on finding quick solutions.
Tell me about a time you solved a problem.
A client was upset, I listened, fixed the issue fast, and they left satisfied.
Do you prefer team or solo work?
Both. I enjoy teamwork, but also stay focused when working alone.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, what are the top priorities for this role in the first few months?
Hi, Mama. Are you free right now?
Beta, I'm always here for you.
I just wanted to hear your voice.
Why didn't you call me earlier?
I miss you so much today.
You know you can talk to me anytime.
Everything feels so overwhelming.
I wish I could hold you right now.
I'm so tired, Mama. College is hard.
Everything will be okay. I promise.
I had back-to-back classes today.
You're stronger than you think.
I didn't even get time to eat properly.
Don't let stress eat you up.
I miss your food every single day.
Have you eaten anything today?
Hostel life is not easy at all.
You need to take care of yourself, my John.
Sometimes I just want to come home.
I'll make your favorite food when you come home.
I cried last night, but I didn't want to tell you.
Your room still feels empty without you.
My roommates are nice, but they're not you.
I'm counting the days until I see you.
You always knew how to make me feel better.
Just listen to your heart and stay focused.
Can you please tell me everything will be okay? English speaking practice. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where do you live?
I live in Berlin.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
What do you do?
I'm a software engineer.
Are you a student?
No, I finished university.
What languages do you speak?
I speak German and English.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
What are your hobbies?
I like photography and hiking.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love classical music.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
What's your favorite food?
I really like Italian food.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m.
What's your dream?
I want to travel the world.